This is review of WGGE Professional wire stripper. The reason I purchased this product is I wanted something that effectively to remove the plastic cover from my wire. I can transform very basic board with all the jumping wire from this into this clean breadboard. I have been using this wire stripper for a few months and I really like it. There are a couple of reasons. First of all, I feel it's ergo friendly. It's not very heavy. It's only about 186 grams. And the other thing is the gripper feels secure with the friction. The reason I like it is it has all the detailed illustration on which part of this tool is going to function. Most of my time, I only using this one, as I said, to remove the plastic from the wire. That's the main purpose of today's demo. Next, I'm going to show you how to use this wire stripper to connect wire in between those holes. The first step is you need to understand the size of a gauge. For my case, this is the 22 gauge size. I'm going to use this a cutter slot to cut the right length. In this case, I'm going to use the green wire. For my case, since this gauge is 22 gauge, this size is about a 22 to 20 and a 20 to 18. So you want to start something's bigger size first, otherwise you're going to cut it. So since this is 22, I'm going to start from this slot, just simply to cut it. It's not going to cut through and just put it off, get the wire exposed. The next one is you want to hold it from this slot, let's see, to this slot. So I roughly know right here, okay, I'm going to cut it from here, pressure it, and put it, boom. I think this is a little bit long and I'm going to use this one to cut it again to the right length. The next step is you want to bend the wire. So normally you can use a hand bend, but I think the most effective way is to using this the tip of the wire stripper. You just hold it and then you push it down. And that's going to give you a beautiful 90-degree bend. I'm going to do the other thing from the other angle. And then I'm going to use my finger to push this way. And now you get a beautiful rectangle shape and also very straight. And for now, I can put it to my board. See, you're gonna connect those two pinpoint. Boom. All right, that's my review. Bye.